Say hi, babe.
Hmm?
Say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing?
We are about to go crazy!
I wonder why.
Because we're getting the Halo 4 for Xbox. Yeah.
Woo.
Finally get an Xbox.
Again.
Again. And yeah, my girlfriend's probably gonna hog it.
Yes!
It's alright.
Woo! Too bad there's not like an interactive system where PlayStation interact with Xbox.
Well, I did hear that the Xboxes are about to go to $99, so we could probably have an additional one where we can play together.
That'll be definitely after we move.
Yeah, but still, I'm just saying. Just saying.
Look at these posters. Come on, let's go. Woo, that's a refrigerator. That'll be taken out in the morning. And considering it's 11 o'clock, we should probably go. It's my Xbox. And my rusty crusty nose. Ooh, I need to do those. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Baby, you see this? Open, 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 open. Yeah, that was our number at GameStop. B11. Bingo! He is opening the box. Say hey, babe.
Hi.
That's Pyro-Vingo. It's like he's struggling a little bit with the box. Or he's trying to open it all perfect because he's kind of OCD with stuff like that.
Which kind of sucks because it rips it off. Learn our lesson.
Ha ha ha.
Pulling that flap out first so you don't rip the box.
And we open. And we open. And we're looking inside the box. Look at Master Chief. Yeah. And a random wall scroll. Woohoo! Like some quartz.
In the game.
On the game. Woo! This is what we're all here for.
The two controllers. Completely designed for the awesome game that is Halo. This is mine because it's the first one I opened up. Why don't I videotape you opening up your controller?
Oh my.
I
don't know what to think.
It feels so crispy.
I know, it's like you don't want to touch it. You just want to sit and look at it. I wonder, I mean, like people may have bought 2 of them.
Just have 4?
No, like one they just won't open. Then the other one they open and play with. Oh, what are you dropping? You can be dropping stuff. Okay, we got batteries. Okay. 2 Duracell.
Yeah. Alright. It's awesome. That's the play right now, so that's awesome that they were thinking about us.
Yeah.
And it feels great.
We got the quick startup guide, some information, headsets, which I probably won't be using.
I will.
Just leave them closed for now. TV cords. More cords.
The block, the brick.
This thing could hurt people. And now we have the other star of the show. Is the actual Xbox itself.
Oh man, it feels great.
You have it upside down.
Huh?
Is it upside down?
Very possible.
And you continue to open it.
Stripping.
Ooh, take it off. Yeah. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that Xbox. Ooh, that's see-through. That's sick. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Our bed is a mess. We don't care. We're kind of going to get in it. But look at that Xbox. I'm currently on my iPod Nano. He's on his iPhone 4. Sorry, iPhone 4. Woo.
I don't care about the iPhone 5 so much.
No, he doesn't care about the iPhone 5. He's done research. Well, other than your fashion show with the Xbox, is there anything you would like to say, Mr. Van Gogh?
It's tight.
That's all. That's all you have to say. It's tight.
Yo.
So we're about to plug it in.
We gotta plug it in, get it all over and done with. I gotta work early in the morning, so I can't play it really now. Plus, I gotta obey the creed.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.